Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you a very famous Indian dish, mutton biryani. Today I am going to prepare mutton dum biryani. There are many different ways you can prepare biryani at home, but today I will show you one of the easiest way how to prepare biryani at home. So let's begin.
For preparing mutton biryani, we will use some big size mutton piece and we'll marinate this with some salt, plain salt, ginger garlic paste. I'm using 2 spoon ginger and 2 spoon garlic paste, 1 spoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and biryani masala. Here I'm using Shan mutton biryani masala. It's available in any departmental store, so we'll use 2 spoon biryani masala and 2 spoon homemade curd for marinating this mutton. So now we will mix everything nicely and keep this mutton in refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. While mutton is marinating, we will prepare our biryani rice here. We will take long grain basmati rice and wash it nicely. While boiling, we will add some salt, half spoon salt and 1 spoon oil with it, and we'll add some whole garam masala like 2-3 cinnamon sticks, small cinnamon stick, 2-3 cardamom and 2-3 clove with it, and we will add sufficient water with it to boil this rice. Now we will add more than double water to boil this rice, and we will boil this rice up to 70%. Now cover it and let it boil. Now we will prepare mutton here. For that we will take a pressure cooker and add 2 to 3 spoon clarified butter or ghee in it, and we will add 2 spoon plain oil with it. Oil and ghee become hot. Now we will add this marinated mutton in it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. We already added everything in this mutton, so we don't need to add any masala here. Just cook this mutton in this ghee with all its masala. Next we will add big size potato pieces with this mutton, because without this potato the mutton biryani will be incomplete, and we will fry this potato with this masala and mutton. And cover it for a few minutes, and after a few minutes now we will add little warm water with this. Before that we will take these potato pieces out from this cooker, because we will cook only the mutton, not the potato. We will add this potato while doing the biryani layer. We will add little warm water with this mutton and let it cook with at least 2 to 3 whistles. Just add little water. This much water is perfect. Just cover it and let it cook. On the other side, here is our biryani rice is almost cooked. We have to boil this rice almost 70%, and yes, it's perfectly cooked now. And now we will drain this water and let the rice be a little dry before preparing the layer. And next we will prepare some beresta at home, just some fried onion. Fry this onion until it's become golden brown. And here is our mutton is ready, and now we will do the biryani layering. For layering, we will take a big non-stick pan and we'll add 3 to 4 spoon ghee or clarified butter on it, and we'll spread the rice on top of it like this, and we will mix the rice and ghee together and spread at the bottom nicely. So next we will add this mutton pieces. We'll arrange these mutton pieces one by one, and potato pieces also, like this. We have to arrange like this. In one layer we will put everything, and next we will add this beresta. We will spread some beresta on top of it, some biryani masala, 2 to 3 spoon biryani masala on top of it. All cover it almost every single piece of mutton and potato, and some salt. We'll add some salt And again next we'll do the same thing. Spread some rice. We'll cover all these things with this rice. So this is called layering. So again we will do the same thing. Rice and then some ghee or clarified butter, 2 to 3 spoon ghee, some biryani masala, some salt. We have to put everything in every layer, and some beresta on top of it. And next one more layer, and on top of it I'll spread some ghee, some biryani masala, salt, little bit of salt. And this is the final layer. We will put all rice, we'll spread all rice on top of it, and we will put whatever we have left, little biryani masala, 2 to 3 spoon Keora water. Here I am using Keora water, but you can use the rose water as well. It gives a nice smell, aroma. And lastly we will add some remaining gravy of this mutton. Just 2 to 3 spoon of gravy we will add to keep it moisture. So now we will lock this with some wet tissue paper or with some flour dough, whatever you have. So I am using some wet tissue paper. Now we will cover it and cook it for at least 25 to 30 minutes in low flame. So after 30 minutes it looks like this with beautiful smells. I'm just taking this off and I'm showing you how it's cooked. Everything is perfect, rice is perfect, and here I'm serving it in a plate. Potato and mutton and rice all are perfectly cooked. So friends, here is our today's recipe. Mutton dum biryani is ready and served. It's homemade biryani, that's why it's very healthy. So please try this recipe at home, and if you like this recipe, please do like and comments in my video. You can share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.